Welcome to Ferny Crofts. We hope you're looking forward to your day out on our mountain bikes. But before you leave, this video explains a few important safety tips and advice to help you enjoy your day as much as possible. First, we'll take a look at what you need to take with you on your day out cycling. Your pockets should be empty, so taking a backpack is a good idea. We suggest you take a raincoat, and spare warm layers are recommended depending on the weather forecast. Map. We also have suggested route cards, please ask at reception. Water and food. At least one person in the group should carry a first aid kit and a mobile phone in case of emergencies. Everyone must wear a helmet when riding a Ferny Crofts bike. Make sure the helmet doesn't move forwards or back. The fit can be adjusted at the back of the helmet. For the straps, it needs to be tight enough so that you can't fit more than 2 fingers through. And long hair should be tied back. Everyone must wear a high-vis jacket, which will be provided for you. Your group leader will be provided with a bicycle repair kit. Inside the kit is everything you need for basic repairs such as punctures. If any damage does happen while you're out, please let us know what damage has been caused and what has been repaired when handing the bikes back at the end of the day. The Forestry Commission has provided you with over 100 miles of off-road cycle routes. These cycle routes are clearly marked with waymarkers and have been numbered and provided for you in the map. It is against the law to cycle anywhere in the New Forest that is not a marked cycle route, and you could be fined up to £500. Please take care when riding past horses and other wildlife in the forest. If you are in a group, please all pass on the same side and try to give them as much room as possible. Please try to avoid causing obstruction for other users of the forest. Please do not ride more than 2 abreast on the cycle tracks. And if it's a narrow track, we advise you to ride single file. It is very important to abide the warning signs of the forestry work that is being carried out. These areas can be very dangerous, where tree felling and moving of large timber are taking place. Please remember that you are responsible for your own safety when riding in the New Forest. The New Forest is a national park, and we want everyone and everything that uses the forest to do so with as little impact as possible. Start with the front wheel. Check tyres are inflated and there is no damage. Check the spokes are not loose. Check the quick release lever is pointing backwards. Spin the wheel to check the brake pads are in place and not rubbing on the wheel. Move up to the handlebars. Check the suspension works. Check the brakes are working. Check the handlebars are in line with the wheel and this does not wobble. Move down to the pedals. Check the pedals don't wobble. Check that the derailleur moves freely and the chain has no obstructions. Move up to the saddle. Check the saddle is at the right height. This is roughly hip height and you should be able to place your toes on the floor when sat on the saddle. Check the seat post is not wobbly. Move down to the rear wheel. Check the tyres and spokes as before with the front wheel. Check the quick release. Check the brakes and check the gears and rear derailleur. Before leaving, the leader of your group must sign the user agreement form, accepting that all bikes are safe and in usable order. And then you can go off and enjoy your day mountain biking.